In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide weekend in Google Calendar. If you're trying to focus on the work week and want a cleaner view of your schedule, hiding weekends is a quick and reversible change. Start by opening Google Calendar in your web browser and signing in if prompted. Once your calendar homepage loads, look toward the top right corner of the screen. You'll see the settings gear, and right next to it, there's an oval menu that controls how your calendar is displayed. Click that oval menu. A small panel will appear with options that influence what you see on the grid. In this panel, look for the option labeled Show Weekends. This setting simply tells calendar whether to include Saturday and Sunday in your current view. Uncheck Show Weekends. As soon as you do, your calendar will refresh and the weekend columns will disappear, giving you a focused view of Monday through Friday. This is especially handy in week or custom views where you need more horizontal space for busy weekdays. There's also another reliable way to reach the same setting from the main settings page. Click the gear icon in the top right, then select settings from the menu. You'll be taken to a full settings screen with a list on the left. Scroll until you find the section called View Options. Inside View Options, locate the checkbox labeled Show Weekends. Untick this box. Your changes save automatically, and when you return to your calendar, Saturdays and Sundays will be hidden. A few quick tips as you make this change. First, hiding weekends does not delete or modify any events. It only changes your display. If you re-enable weekends later, any weekend events will appear exactly as before. Second, this works best in week and custom views. If you switch to month view, you'll still see all days, but the setting will apply again when you return to a week-style layout. Third, if you ever want weekends back, just revisit the same place, either the quick panel next to the gear or the view options in settings, and check Show Weekends again. Finally, if your work week spans different days, you can keep weekends hidden and still adjust how many days you see by choosing a custom view that fits your schedule. The goal is to reduce noise, highlight the days that matter most, and make scanning your calendar faster. That's all it takes to hide weekends in Google Calendar. Try both methods and use the one that feels most convenient for you. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing.